Right, I'm going to make a quick video on the PPE, personal protective equipment, because that also falls on the area of safety like human factors does. For your own personal safety and protection, it's best just to, I'll just get them out of my work bag, it's best just to get hold of or invest in some of these. Get hold of or invest in some of these proper workwear, working trousers. Right, you'll need to get yourself some workwear if you go into the aircraft maintenance. You'll see, you'll see all the airport workers, firemen, labourers working on building sites wearing this type of stuff. Okay, get yourself like these work trousers. They come in all different colours and sizes, mainly blue or black. But I've seen highly visible fluorescent ones as well. Sometimes they come with one stripe, they can come with one stripe, two stripes, different colours. They come in all different designs and colours and shades, or they all vary in design. They do work as well. They reflect the lights, so you can see them when you're working. They reflect the lights of headlights, and they literally glow in front of you. Yeah, it's normally the case. It's mandatory to wear all this PPE, personal protective equipment, in these types of environments, and the company usually supply it. You can see that it's fire retardant material, good material. It's good because you shouldn't be wearing things like nylon and that, because if there's a fire, the nylon will stick onto your skin. The nylon can melt and stick onto your skin in the event of a fire. If you don't get these from your company, supplied by your company, you can get them anywhere in workwear shops and online. You can find them easily. Get some with pockets in as well, like so you can put notepads, pens, and your keys, and keep them all tidily. Preferably if they're zipped or got buttons on them. These ones haven't, but they're still okay. Get hold of some steel toe cap boots or trainers, and see if they've got protection in case something heavy falls onto your feet. I think the newer ones haven't got steel, but they got a material like Kevlar or something in. I think they use Kevlar. Write in the comments if it is Kevlar, the material I'm thinking about. Get yourself a comfortable shirt, comfortable work shirt to work in as well. Don't forget a hat if you have to go out into the hot weather. These steel toe cap boots are almost always mandatory in those types of environments, like building sites and maintenance hangars also. Okay, these steel toe cap boots, you get them in you get them in your standard ankle type boots, but you can get them in like a trainer form too, which is more comfortable. Like these Dunlop safety, there you go, safety shoes there, and yeah, see they're still protected as well.